So this is one of those short videos, as they call them, where they're turned a different way, and I'm not crazy about them, but I wanted to do one to tell my subscribers about a pellet grill in general. I mean, this one's a Z Grills. I bought it at Sam's Club, a really good price. I got an excellent deal on it. I paid for it out of my pocket, like everything you see on my channel. And it has been so simple to press a button and your temps come to where you set them to, and you put whatever you're cooking. Like tonight, I'm doing pork loin, and I've got seasoned two different ways, so I can kind of see which one I like best. But again, you press a button and set it to what temp you want, and don't worry about it anymore. It's simple. I've cooked outside more with this than I have anything I've ever owned. Now, I've had Traegers here. My son owns one. It worked excellent. I think a lot of them work excellent, but I can only speak for those two, and this one is absolutely excellent. But there's things I've done to it too. I mean, some neat little things you can do, where, like this right here. I bought a big magnet. You could use this on other things too, but I bought that at Walmart. I don't even know, I don't do links, so you won't find that on my channel, but I bought it at Walmart, and it's just a long magnet that you stick things to. You can do, I've got these from ThermoWorks, and that's because this comes with two thermometers, and they don't really have a good place to put it, so I'm using these. But it's simple. I'm telling you, I will put these on there here in a minute. I've got 2 ears of corn on it already. And I'm fixing to put those pork loins on there. And I promise you, they will be perfect every time. Everything I've done on it has been. And I think it's a great idea. I think you'll love a pellet grill. And I think you should try one, whatever kind you decide to use. But that you don't get much simpler than setting a temp and walking away. So just wanted to throw that out on this short video and tell y'all what I thought of them. I think you should get one if you don't have one.